Pabalik-balik na problema or looping challenges, ito yung mga akala mo tapos na pero nangyayari ulit. And you prayed so hard for it to be over, pero nangyayari ulit. For example, kagaya na lang ng utang. Wish mo sana na hindi na magkautang, pero bakit paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa'yo na even up to now, may utang ka pa rin? Hindi kasya yung sweldo mo, lumaki na nga yung sahod mo, pero may utang ka pa rin. It's the same as other kinds of vices na akala mo nakalimutan mo na or akala mo hindi mo na gagawin, hindi nakalimutan, hindi mo na gagawin pero paulit-ulit siyang nangyayari at ginagawa mo pa rin. Sa palagay ko, based on my experience, this is because of things na we haven't actually settled within us. Now, it's our lifestyle, and probably when we get bored, we do things such as that. And hindi maganda yan sa future natin, especially, I'm always talking about this, as you age, you don't know kung anong future of your, what will be the future of your retirement will be. Kasi you haven't prepared, utang na lang for example, you haven't prepared for anything such as your retirement. And mahirap yan, especially pag may vices ka pa na nadadala mo even beyond your 40s. Sabi nila na, hindi, ako na talaga yan eh. But it's something that we can actually control. We're just lazy on how to control and avoid it. So that's our second episode for today of our 30-day challenge. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.